Okay, now we are going to make the garlic sauce for the teppanyaki table. For the garlic sauce, we're going to need sugar. We're going to need the Japanese sushi vinegar. We are going to need the Chinese light soy sauce. We will need the garlic. The garlic is the dehydrated garlic that the kitchen use. They'll have boiled this with some water to rehydrate it. And this is the garlic we refer to in the recipe. And we're also going to need some sesame oil. Okay? So again, this recipe, it can be doubled up, it can be tripled up, it can be quadrupled, however much you want. This is the basic standard small recipe. Should last you about a week. And this is the recipe we're going to be using today. So, first thing we're going to need 1 litre of the Japanese rice vinegar. Each of these is about 300 ml. Okay, so we have our 1 litre of sushi vinegar going into our tub. To that, I want 1 litre of the the Chinese light soy sauce. Make sure that we do check that it is the light soy sauce. It will say on the tube. Also, when you pour it, you'll see it's a lighter colour. The dark soy sauce is more thick and it will stick to the side of the container. You'll know you've got the wrong one. So we're going to go in with 1 litre of that. There we go. So we've got 1 litre of the Chinese light soy sauce in there. To that, we need our scales now. So we need to weigh out 125 grams of the minced garlic. So make sure that we tear the scales to make sure it's back to E0. And we're going to go in. Each of these is roughly about 30 gram, yeah. Okay, just over. Doesn't really matter, a little bit over. Okay, to that, we're now going to add 200 millilitres of sesame oil. In we go. Now, a very important stage of this recipe now is we are going to blend it. So we're going to use one of these blenders like this. You should all have these in your branch. The reason we're going to blend it is because those garlic granules are quite big and chunky. And when we try to put them in, I've got a bottle handy. Yeah, if we try and put them in one of these bottles, you can see that the nozzle is very small. What will happen is the garlic will get stuck in the nozzle. You'll be trying to do it on the teppanyaki and it'll splurt out and go everywhere. That's why we'll blend it up using the blender. Make sure that we get all those granules all nice and fine. Also, it'll add a little bit more flavour to the sauce as well. So when we go, and keep going, make sure that all the garlic is blended in. You might note at this stage, oh, the colour has gone a funny colour, it looks very white. This will settle down, the bubbles will disappear. You know, come back in half an hour, this will look like the same black garlic sauce that we expect. Alright, so like I said, that's now ready to go. We'll put that in the fridge, just let it settle down a little bit, and then that's it, ready to use garlic sauce.